Welcome to the Sonofit User Guide, Getting Started and Optimizing Tinnitus Relief. In this video, we will walk you through the process of using the Sonofit device for effective relief from tinnitus. Let's get started. Scene 2, Unboxing. Let's begin by unboxing your Sonofit device. Open the package carefully and take out the Sonofit device and all the included accessories. Make sure everything is in good condition. Scene 3, Charging. Before using your Sonofit device, make sure it is fully charged. Connect the provided USB cable to the device and plug it into a power source. Allow it to charge for at least 2 hours. Scene 4, Pairing. Once your Sonofit device is charged, it's time to pair it with your smartphone using the Sonofit mobile application. Follow the instructions on the app to connect your device and customize your tinnitus relief settings. Scene 5, Usage. Now that your Sonofit device is paired, it's ready to use. Place the device gently in your ear and adjust it for a comfortable fit. You can control the volume and select different relief sounds using the app. Scene 6, Optimizing Relief. To optimize your tinnitus relief, experiment with different sound frequencies and intensities provided by the Sonofit app. Find the settings that work best for you and enjoy the soothing relief from tinnitus. That wraps up the Sonofit User Guide, Getting Started and Optimizing Tinnitus Relief. We hope this video has helped you understand the process of using the Sonofit device for effective tinnitus relief. Thank you for watching.